This is the house that funk built, Groove Armada style. All right, I'm checking all y'all out this evening, and I see you sitting around. But we ain't gonna have none of that this evening, child. That's right. Don't be looking at me like that. See, my name is Grandma Funk, y'all. Funk if you're nasty, darling. And you got to be nasty. But see, I need a little more volume, you know what I'm saying? Give me volume on everything, cause I want you to hear me. I want to hear myself. I want the world. Check it out. What y'all got for Grandma Funk, honey, and my grandbabies? Be ready to get down, get funky, get loose. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Woo! Close your eyes and get sexy with it. Woo! I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't be looking at me like that now. I see ya. Come on. I see ya. Get busy with it. Make it on down. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that What? Come on. What? Woo! What? Come on. What? Make it on down. Oh, this party got it going. Oh!
Yo, boys, that was fucking sick shit out there, boys! Yo! That was downwind.